Web developers have been living a lie for 30 years. Every time you filter a database or build a dashboard, you are just committing an HTTP crime. But the internet gods finally blessed us. As of June 2026, RFC 10008 is official. Say hello to the brand new HTTP method, query. To understand why this is a massive deal, we have to look at the toxic relationship between GET and POST. Historically, when you want to fetch a data, you use a GET request. Simple, right? But what happens when you query is massive, deeply nested JSON object with 50 filters? Suddenly your URLs looks like a cat fell asleep on your keyboard. Try putting a 10 KB query into a GET URL and the browser will just scream at you and probably throw a stone at you. So what do? We do the ultimate developer workaround. We use POST. Using POST to just look up a data is like ordering a package from Amazon, but instead of the delivery guy bringing it, he reconstructed your entire house. POST is meant to change or create data on server. Because it's a POST, browsers and CDN won't cache it automatically. And if the network blips, it won't safely auto retry because the browser thinks, oh no, what if I accidentally buy 2 pairs of socks? Presenting query. It is the ultimate fusion. It has the thick, juicy payload body of a POST request, but the safe, innocent mind of a GET request. Because query is officially defined as safe and idempotent, CDNs can cache it, proxies can log it, and your client can safely auto retry if the connection drops. It is literally the HTTP method that should have existed a decade ago. It's a brand new spec, so server frameworks and browser are rolling out support right now, so it will take some time.